Hey guys, today I'm working on this 98 Camry, and basically here, if I turn on the accessories, you see that the turn indicator, can you see it? I hope you can. The left side works, but the right side doesn't. Sometimes if you hold it to pass, then it works, but sometimes then after you do that it works, but usually when you pull it down it doesn't want to work. So something's wrong with the switch, and instead of ordering a new one from the dealer, it's about over $100 from the dealer. Let's take it apart and see what it looks like inside. And it looks like to get it out, there are two screws that hold it, one over here, and then you turn the wheel again. I'll put the key in after I get this one out, and there's one on this side, and then the lower cover, you should be able to use one of these soft pry tools and get that free. So let me get these screws out and let's get to the side. Alright, I got the two screws out. I got this one out right here, and then supposedly we should be able to just separate this one from this section if we can get a pry tool from either side in. And there's a little bigger gap on this side, so let me try on this side. I'm just going to put it in there and see if I can pop the two pieces apart. Let's hope for the best here. Okay, there's the top part on this side. Let me use this and lower it. Okay, so the top part is free there. Okay, on that side, let's see if I can get the top part free on this side. Looks like they're just push tabs, and if this car is old, so I always worry about something breaking or not coming back together, Alright, so that side came apart, so let's try this side. We'll try to get something in between. Oh, the gaps here are really good still. Okay, let's see. Well, this side is free. Okay, oh, there we go. You can see the gap opening here now. There we go. There we go. Okay, and then let's see if we can get this thing free. There we go. And then let's try over here. There we go. Okay, and then let's see if we can get this down. And this, okay, that's definitely down. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. And this should come out. There's not much holding this in place. There we go. There we go. Okay, that piece is out. Can you see that? Okay, and then this bottom piece should work. It's just like that. Should just come out. I hope. There's nothing else holding it in place. Let's rotate the wheel just upside down, maybe. Oh, there's a screw underneath here. Oopsie. Okay, there's a screw under here, okay? Forget about that one. Okay, I can feel it. So it should be a Phillips as well. Okay, and let's see if I can undo that. Okay. Oopsie. It happens. Let's see. Yep, it goes straight in. Like this, looks like. There we go. Come on. There we go. Oh. Okay, that could have been terrible, okay? So there's a screw right there. And then this should be able to slide out here somehow. Not that we really need to, because we can still access most of it. But yeah, we should be able to get this past here. But here's the connector right here. Push and pull down. There we go. And then this is held in maybe by what? What's it held in by? These two screws? Alright, let's try. This one here. Another Phillips, small one. Let's take that one out. Come on. Okay, and then this one here maybe. And then let's see if we can get, oh yeah, that's it. Okay. And there's plenty of room to wiggle it out there. Okay. So there it is. Okay. So something back here is not making connection. So I'm going to take it apart and take a quick look at it. And you know what? The actual clicker part worked, but it's the actual contact. So let's take a look inside and find out. But otherwise, you know, putting it back together is the same as taking it apart. And yeah, we probably won't show that, but hey, there you go. That's the removal of that piece. Okay. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, I took it apart, and you can tell that one side is cleaner than the other on the contacts for the turn switch. So you can tell that this is that and that. Okay, so I got to put that back in there. But I think it's because this side is dirty and it's not making good contact. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it up, grease it again, and then we're going to go from there. Okay, and give it a shot. But I mean, all it is just little clips holding it together with two long screws here, and it was all that is. And this cover just clicks on with two of these things. So let me clean this up and see what we got for contacts. Yeah, that one's a little bit worn right there, but and then over here where it makes contact, yeah, you can definitely tell that that's where it's supposed to be making contact. So let's see. Yeah, we'll clean it up and we'll do our best. Okay, guys, I put it back together. I used a little bit of brake clean, some dielectric grease, you know, and I'm just gonna put it back together and give it a shot. And if it doesn't work, then we'll probably buy a new one, you know, or you know, I don't know. Sometimes, you know, you go to the junkyard and it's, you know, you're not getting anything better, but because you really don't know how long it's been there. So there you go. This piece goes right here, one click, and then that one little latch over there holds that whole assembly over there. So this piece goes here, and that piece goes in there, and then this piece comes down and clicks there, and that's it. And it goes right back together. So, you know, we're gonna give it a try, and if it works, that's great for a little bit even. If it doesn't work, then you know we're no worse than we were, and we will order a new piece and then install it and go from there. But otherwise, hey, that was it. That was how to remove one of these. Putting it back in is the reverse, and let's hope a little bit of cleaning and some dielectric grease will give us a little bit of life out of it. But you know, you can buy Chinese knockoffs for probably 20 bucks or less, and or more, up to 50, you know, whatever. But genuine units, they still make them. They're about 120 to 150 bucks, depending on which dealer you might get it from. But there's the part right there. But otherwise, like I said, everything else on it works. The headlights, the brights, everything works except for that left turn signal indicator when it's fully engaged. So I am hopeful that that takes care of it. Okay. So thank you again for subscribing. I'm going to get this back installed. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching another video, and have a wonderful day. Take care, everyone. Bye now.